Hi, this is another NG Studios, and we're gonna put some ivory soap in the microwave on a plate, and we're gonna see what happens to it. So, are you ready? Let's put it in there. Seconds.
I think we'll start with a minute. I mean, let's put it in for 2 minutes and then we'll just watch it. All right, so you have to unwrap it. I don't know if we'll be able to see there.
Oh, right when you can.
All right, let's watch it.
Nothing yet. I think something's gonna happen. Whoa! What? What is that? What is that whipped cream?
Does it look like whipped cream? Do you think it's soft and fluffy or you think it's still hard? Oh, it's coming off the plate.
I bet you that's soft and fluffy. What is that?
It just exploded.
What?
I'm glad it wasn't.
What is that?
And we still got 1 minute spare.
What? That was unexpected.
All right, let's open it and pause it and check it out.
Wow, that seems hot.
Down.
Now it's sinking.
Like a bouncy castle.
It feels like roasted marshmallows.
That got into
Whoa. That's what a bar of soap is.
an inflated bouncy house. And you can still see their logo.
So
Ivory.
it's hardly used any of the soap. So let's take the bar out. Ooh, it's hot. Don't eat it. So you can squish this. You can mold it back, push it into another shape.
Whoa. It's like homemade Play-Doh. Right? How is this even possible?
All right, put all of those pieces on here on the paper plate, and then we'll put that bar back in and see if it keeps going. All right, let's put it back in.
Okay. Now we know what to expect. Oh, here it goes again. Whoa! That's the bar of soap?
Look at that, baby.
That was that small and now it's that big. Wow.
Looks like a bouncy castle.
How does that happen? Looks like a head.
All right, let's open it and check it again.
Whoa. Sinking. It's like a brick. Ah, that was hot. Sorry. Man, it's
Smells good.
it does smell good.
Ooh, it's sinking.
This is what old timers used to, I don't know.
Those marshmallows. That's what they use. That's what they use as their marshmallow. And put
let's
chocolate
squish
and
this.
graham crackers.
This is what the ancients used instead of
You can squish it and
roasted marshmallows.
see if you can put it back into a brick.
This is
Oh no.
wow.
That
This thing
just,
sheds.
this just fell to pieces.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it back in the brick. Maybe we need to put it through a Play-Doh machine.
Okay, so let's look at this.
It's a brick.
Started.
At this size, and look how much we got.
Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. This used to be bigger, but
Next, we're gonna try, maybe the next video, we'll do marshmallows in the microwave
Oh,
and
that-
see what happens.
I think
Any predictions?
it'll explode.
Think it's gonna explode? Graham, any predictions on what a marshmallow would do? No? Okay.
It's the Lamborghini fly.
Bye. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Thank you. This has been another NG Studios signing off.
Bye!